Sir, can I tell you something?
Of course. What happened?
Today, in class, I tried to speak English, but everyone laughed.
They laughed. What did they say?
They smiled, whispered, and looked at me. I felt small.
Oh, you felt hurt, didn't you?
Yes, sir. I felt ashamed. My voice stopped. My face became red.
I'd understand. It hurts when people laugh, especially when you try your best.
Yes, I wanted to cry. I thought, my English is bad. I should not speak again.
Don't think like that. You are learning. Everyone makes mistakes. Even I made mistakes when I started.
Really, sir?
Of course. I said many wrong words before, but I didn't stop. I kept speaking.
But, sir, they speak fast. I speak slowly.
That's fine. Speaking slowly means you care about your words. It means you are learning with attention.
Still, I feel shy when they look at me.
You feel nervous because you want to do well. That's a good thing. It shows your heart cares.
But how can I speak without fear?
By speaking. Again and again. Slowly, softly, but bravely. Let's practice together now.
Now?
Yes, right now. The best time is now. Take a deep breath. Ready?
Ready, sir.
Good. We will use the simple present tense. It's for things we do every day. For example, I say, I teach English.
I say, I learn English.
Excellent. See? You already know. Let's try some more. I say, I wake up early.
I wake up late.
That's okay. You are honest. Next one. I drink coffee.
I drink milk.
Nice. I read books.
I watch movies.
Very good. You are doing great.
It feels easy when I speak with you, sir.
That's because you feel safe. English grows where there is no fear.
I like that. English grows where there is no fear.
Yes. So today, we remove fear. We plant courage.
I want to plant courage.
Then say after me, I speak English with courage.
I speak English with courage.
Louder, with a smile.
I speak English with courage.
Beautiful. See? That's English with feeling.
Sir, I feel something new. I feel brave.
That's your true voice. It was always inside you.
Maybe I can try one more sentence.
Yes, please.
I practice every day.
Perfect sentence. Present tense. Simple and strong.
I learn from my mistakes.
Excellent. That's the best sentence a student can say.
I don't stop.
Yes, that's the spirit. Say it again.
I don't stop.
Wonderful. Now let's use these in a small story. Imagine you wake up in the morning. What do you do?
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Great. Keep going.
I go to school. I sit in class. I speak English.
That's good. How do you feel when you speak English?
I feel nervous, but I try.
Beautiful honesty. Keep that.
I make mistakes, but I smile.
Perfect. Smiling helps you learn faster.
I listen to my teacher. I learn new words.
Excellent. You're creating your own English life.
I practice with my friends. I don't give up.
That's the language of growth. Every sentence is a seed.
Sir, I think I can speak now.
You already are speaking.
Yes, I am speaking. Slowly, but bravely.
That's the right way. English is not about being perfect. It's about connection, courage, and heart.
When I say I speak, I feel proud.
You should be proud. You are speaking English with truth.
Thank you, sir. You make me feel I can do this.
Because you can. You always could. You just needed to believe it.
Sir, I feel different now. When I say those sentences, I don't feel small anymore.
That's beautiful. What do you feel instead?
I feel light. I feel free. Like my words are not afraid to come out.
That's what confidence feels like. Quiet, warm, and alive.
Maybe it was never about grammar. It was about courage.
Exactly. Grammar helps us speak clearly, but courage helps us speak truly.
I always thought people who speak fast are better than me.
Speaking fast is not the goal. Speaking with feeling is.
Yes, I speak slowly, but I speak with heart.
That's the most natural English, when your words come from your heart.
Sir, can I try a small speech?
Of course. Stand up, breathe, speak slowly. I'm listening.
My name is Lynn. I am a student. I love English. Sometimes I feel shy. Sometimes people laugh. But I don't stop. I keep learning. I keep speaking. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. I smile and I try again.
That was wonderful, Lynn. You spoke with truth and calm.
My hands were shaking, but I did it.
You did more than speak English. You spoke courage.
I think I'm not afraid anymore.
That's your transformation. You didn't lose fear. You walked through it.
I like that. I walk through fear.
Yes, that's how we grow. One brave step, one honest word.
Sir, I remember when I couldn't say anything. I just listened and stayed quiet.
And now you speak. That's progress. Real, living progress.
I feel proud. Not perfect, but proud.
That's the right kind of pride. Humble and peaceful.
I think I understand English better now. Not just words, the feeling behind them.
Exactly. When you understand the feeling, the language becomes part of you.
Sir, can I tell you one thing?
Of course.
When I spoke today, I didn't care if someone laughed. I cared that I spoke.
That's victory. True victory.
Thank you for helping me find my voice again.
It was always there. I just helped you listen to it.
I will keep speaking every day.
Good. Speak every day, even to yourself. Talk to the mirror. Talk to your heart.
I will, because when I speak English, I speak to the world.
Beautiful. Remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be brave.
Yes, sir. Brave, not perfect.
English is not only a language. It's a bridge from your heart to others.
That's a beautiful thought. A bridge of words.
Yes, and every time you speak, you build that bridge.
So, even if someone laughs, the bridge still stands.
Exactly. Their laughter cannot break your bridge. Only silence can.
Then I choose to speak.
Say that again.
I choose to speak.
Louder.
I choose to speak.
Wonderful! That's your promise to yourself.
I feel strong. I feel alive.
That's the power of courage. You're not afraid of mistakes anymore.
Mistakes are my teachers now.
Yes, mistakes are the kindest teachers. They never give up on us.
Sir, I will remember that.
And I will remember this day, the day you found your voice.
Thank you, sir. I will never forget this class.
Nor will I. You reminded me why I love teaching.
Because when one student speaks with courage, a teacher's heart smiles.
Yes, and my heart is smiling now.
Sir, can we end with a mantra today?
Of course, let's say it together.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I speak slowly, but I speak bravely.
I speak slowly, but I speak bravely.
I make mistakes, but I learn.
I make mistakes, but I learn.
I am not perfect, but I am growing.
I am not perfect, but I am growing.
I speak English with courage, with heart, and with joy.
I speak English with courage, with heart, and with joy.
That's beautiful, Lynn. How do you feel now?
Peaceful, free, and proud.
That's the real sound of English. Peace, freedom, and pride.
I speak English with feeling.
And that's what makes it beautiful.